So, in a previous video, I stuffed some mushrooms, and in another, I did some avocado. But there are many things you can stuff, and I'm not nearly done with stuffing all the things I can. So, today I'm going to stuff a yellow bell pepper with a slight sweet taste. I came up with the recipe on my own, so hopefully it turns out well. And let's begin. As in many of my recipes, the first thing you want to do is turn on your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 393 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grab your bell pepper and cut it sideways in half. And of course, remove the seeds inside. When you're done with your bell pepper, gather a handful of minced meat and bake it in a pan on a medium fire. Add some pepper and salt, some nutmeg, and a little bit of clove. And bake everything till it is nice and brown. When your meat is nice and browned, grab a bowl and pour everything inside. Then get yourself some nice goat cheese and walnuts. For this recipe I'm using about 1 handful of walnuts and 1 finger length of goat cheese. You want to cut both the walnuts and the cheese in small pieces. And when you have done this, you can mix it in with your meat. It is okay if the cheese is not very small, because it will melt in the oven later. Make sure everything is nicely mixed together. If you like more cheese or more walnuts, you can of course add them to your taste. So, you want to pour your mixture now into your bell peppers. Everything that does not fit into the bell peppers, you can either eat on the side or you can stuff another bell pepper. Now, when you have stuffed your peppers, put them in an oven dish. If you have leftovers, you can spread those around the peppers as well. And now, put everything in the oven until the cheese melts and the peppers slightly brown. It won't be too long, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And there you go, stuffed bell pepper with minced meat, goat cheese and walnuts. Delicious. Time to eat. Let's see how this goes. The bell pepper is nice and juicy. Goat cheese. The goat cheese is nice and soft and goaty. The walnuts, they add a nice little crunch. I do like my walnuts. Very nice. Very nice dish for the winter and the cold season. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.